Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I have a Halloween look inspired by the fall collection from the new Babe line from Profiles Backstage. If you haven't seen me open up this collection and give you my first impressions, go back to last week's video. But if you want to stick around to this video, go ahead and watch it. I'm gonna pop up a picture right over here. I found this photo on Instagram and I am going to be using this photo for my inspiration for this week's Halloween look. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial and the design using these colors for the look for this week's video. So just for reference, I'm going to pop up the picture one more time on the screen. The picture, as you can see, has a dark background, but for me, I want to do a lighter background. So I'm actually going to take the color Molly, which is a really nice light, like rosy toned neutral color. So on these 4 nails, I'm going to use Molly on all 4 nails, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use also from the Babe line, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a matte top coat on all 4 of these. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll be right back. While those are curing, I have the rest of the colors from the fall collection, and they are Carol Ann, Gabby, Sam, Lisa, and Maggie. And I'm also going to take white from the Babe collection, which is Angel, and I'm going to put them on my palette right over here. And the brushes that I have is the double-ended striping, the double-ended brush from Envogue, as well as the from Magic Gel, the Delicate Liner number 1 and the Essential Detailer number 4. These are the only 2 things that I'm using that are not from Profiles in this video. My base is all done and my matte top coat is done. So first up, let's draw the ghost. I'm gonna do the ghost on this nail, because this nail would technically be the ring finger. So let's put the ghost on the ring finger. So the ghost is almost gonna be like a U shape, and then it's gonna flare out at the edges. So whenever I'm doing stuff like this, I always like to have reference photos and actually printed out my reference photo next to me, so that way I can see what I'm doing as I'm filming this video. So whenever you're working on a client, always try to have your reference photo next to you so you can constantly see what you're doing. Unless you're just that good and you can memorize something and then just repeat it. Do not have a photographic memory. But if you have a photographic memory, all to you. So once it's flared, so once you get that shape this way, then you're gonna get the bottom. Now the bottom part, it is okay if the lines are not neat, because you wanna make it look like that sheet is just floating. So this part is okay if it's slightly messy, something like this. I just want this flared out just a tiny bit. And then, so that way both sides will look slightly flared out. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna fill in the whole inside with that white. Okay, and once that is all done and you get the shape to your liking, then you pop it in the lamp and cure this according to manufacturer's instructions. I'm actually gonna go in with dotting tools instead, and I'm gonna do the eyes. Okay. Okay, so I actually went in with 2 small little dotting tools, and I used that to create the eyes for the ghost. On my palette, I'm gonna take a little bit of the top coat. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of the color Lisa in here, just a tiny bit. Lisa is really, really dark, as we know. And I want to use this as like a shading color on the ghost. And see how this works out. Something like this. And then I want to go in with this. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this, maybe. And nope. Like almost stippled it onto the ghost to make it look like it has depth and dimension to it. And I'm gonna pop this in the lamp and give it a cure. And there's our ghost. Now that we have the ghost, now here's the easy part. Now we're just gonna do a whole bunch of leaves for the rest of the designs on all 4 nails. And that is where we're gonna be using the rest of the colors from the collection. So I'm gonna do a couple of leaves on, say, like here and here, but the rest of them will have some more leaves. So let me show you how I draw some of the leaves that were on here. And I may do, if I'm gonna pop up on the screen, there were a couple, it looks like flowers. You can almost do like with a dotting tool. So I may add a couple of those in there as well. So I'm just gonna let the music play as I do the leaves and the flowers. So let's just keep going. hope everyone liked this abstract Halloween tutorial of me using the Babe Fall collection from Profiles Backstage. In a second, I will be popping up on the screen a matte version of this set. Let me know in the comment section which one do you like better, shiny or matte. Honestly, I like both shiny and matte, so let me know in the comment section which one you like. Everything I used in this video will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget not only to like this video, but leave your comments down below. Every time you do will help push out my video that much further in the world of YouTube, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.